Hello friends, welcome to Reading Zone. In this video, I am presenting some computer fundamental advanced questions and answers. Bank used which data input method for processing checks? MICR Magnetic Ink Character Reader. Mail merge feature is found in which application? MS Word. What is Linux? Operating system. What is required to host a website? Answer A. Web server. A method of ensuring interrogating of document is called? Answer A. Digital signature. CPU is combination of? Answer D. ALU and CU, Arithmetical Logical Unit and Control Unit. Data on hard disk reads by? Answer A. Read-write heads. Hard disk is coated by? Answer C. Magnetic metallic oxide. Windows symbol for showing root directory is? Answer C. Backslash. Standard protocol used for sending emails? Answer D. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. What is MS Access Tool? Answer B. Database tool. In Excel, C2 means? Answer D. Third column and second row. Which is not font style? Answer C. Superscript. Brain of computer is? Answer B. Central Processing Unit. You can select current row in Excel by pressing Answer A. Control plus space bar. Operating system is collection of Answer D. Software routines. A step-by-step procedure used to solve a problem is called algorithm. A computer cannot boot if it has not Answer B. Operating system. Shortcut key to rename a file or folder is Answer C. F2. Default name of Excel file is Answer A. Book 1. Thanks for watching.